Halloween is a time when even the most natural things can seem scary. And nowhere is this more evident than in the animal kingdom. So today I thought I'd list off my 10 favorite scary animals, like bats and sharks and lions. The first animal on my scary list is bats. Bats are big flying rodents with poor eyesight. They have sharp teeth and red eyes and wings. Just a word of warning before I move on from bats. If you ever see one hanging low on the sort of near the ground, that probably means it's sick. And the only thing worse than a healthy bat is one who does not feel good.
Nine.
I can't remember the exact statistics, but it's something like 1 million people each year die from shark attacks, and due to the efforts of those what do they call them, conservation people, nothing is being done about them. The sharks are allowed to swim free and eat whoever they want, and that's the reason that I haven't stepped foot in the water in more than 15 years.
8.
The third animal it's a combo category including alligators, crocodiles, and caimans. I think they're called caimans. Caimans, maybe. I know there's the Cayman Islands. All three have a dinosaur-esque feel to them. All three will attack people. And all three can only be, I don't think I have a number 3.
7.
Number 4 is also a combo category, including centipedes and millipedes and all of the peds, all the giant wormy insects and bugs that have too many legs to not be up to something. I just find them creepy. And I just don't like them.
6.
My 5th pick is lions. I know a lot of you like lions due to Disney movies and whatever else, and that's fine. You can like lions. You just have to like lions from afar, because the closer you get to a lion, the more you realize that it is a no-good villain who would sooner juggle your lungs while chewing your heart then buy you something.
5,
Jo, supereko
The thing about squid is that they can kill you in so many different ways. They can drown you. They can pull you apart, quarter you by using their tentacles. They can suction cup stab you or chew you up with their beak, or they can just eat you, and some of them can get really, really big. Pick number 7 is wolves. I personally do not find wolves scary, but felt that I had to include them because they have such a clear tie to the Halloween season. But in my view, wolves are nothing more than giant dogs ready to be domesticated and played fetch with. Eighth pick is snakes. Snakes can be venomous. They shed their skin. They flick their tongue. They bite. They constrict. They swallow animals whole. It's obvious to me that snakes need to be on this list. For my 9th pick, dinosaurs. And I know I'm throwing you a curve with dinosaurs. You thought this list was only going to include animals that still exist. But I like to include a surprise when I can. And after all, dinosaurs certainly fit the general scary template that we're searching for. They are huge, often carnivorous. They probably growled, and it was either this or orcas. But I figured orcas were close enough to the sharks that I would have just been repeating myself.
1.
Finally, spiders. Of course, spiders. You can't do a scary animal list and not include the spiders. People will just say, "What about spiders?" And then 17 other idiots would click that little up button. So it'll be the first comment listed under the video on this here the YouTube place, and everyone will be like, "Oh yeah, where are the spiders?" And I'd say, well, I don't know what I would say. I'd probably just ignore the comment or delete it. Pretend it was never there. And those are the 10 scariest animals as I know them. Just in time for Halloween. Remember to subscribe to me.
0.